Zona.
Alright, this kitty cat live on camera, fuck me.
This Whitney Miss Flip the Click. Everybody be on my channel. You hate, you love it. Fucking you still watching this shit. Give me a view and a comment.
Alright, this a man listening to DVDs over there. Alright, we doing shout out. We shouting out. We getting the closing show.
I want to shout out to my nigga Authentic. Also on the camera, yeah, that's my nigga. I want to shout out to my boyfriend Chucky. I'm tired of you niggas.
Side to the fam.
Want to give a shout out to
The wanna be
my nigga in jail, Shakir. You get out soon, man. Just don't worry, man. Keep that booty hole closed.
No, don't drop the soap, bro.
No,
drop it.
I want to give my shout out.
Oh yeah, she want to give a shout out.
I'm Post Beans. Give my shout out to my boo honey. I love you too. My nigga Chris. My baby daddy Woo. Oh, it's going down. South Boy paying baby. Okay.
You heard it here first.
I was just playing. But up to the niggas, all my niggas, all my ratchets, all my haters. Hi haters.
Look at all the cute baby clothes in the background. Y'all see them? Y'all see
the baby clothes?
Oh, they're so precious.
Oh, shout out to them Bloods. Shout out to them G's and them Crips. What up, cuz? What up, gangster? What up, them Bloods, man?
Shout out to them C's.
Shout out to my junior. I'm finna have a little boy.
Not all that gang, you know. Little G.
Oh, there's a little mama. My mama Kiki. Little Bow Wow. Little Kiki. Don't give your shout out, girl.
Give a shout out.
Just going on YouTube. Go ahead.
It's alright.
Go ahead, Kiki.
She don't want to be called on camera. I'm about to whip that ass. Yeah. We lost.
She still didn't win. I won all the games. We raced. I won. She just a hater. No,
put me back over there. Employee of the month.
Who that?
Who that? Shout out.
Who me? Well, yeah, man. Let's go ahead and stop.
We closed. They got like 5 minutes.
Misha came on last night, man. On God. Why they talking? Well, y'all, catch me on MySpace. www.myspace.com/LilTipsyBadass. Or my email address, Becky's Mine. It looks like specialist, but it's not. It's SBECISMINE2010. Becky's Mine at yahoo.com. That's it. Quick. I just want to tell y'all that she just lost and I won the whole game. She tried to win, but she couldn't. She lost anyway, and I went all the way to 20. I was going to go to 100.
That's right.
That's what she got to say.
New friend, little Kiki.
Yeah.
Check it out.
And I'm better, too.
She better. You heard it here first. Live at Walmart, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, no lethal weapon in this bitch.
Well, I got one more shout out. I got to on. I'm still on.
Oh, you gotta get up here. You finna check out line 5. You see it? You put your groceries on the conveyor belt, and she put them in the bag. See it? Pickles, cookies. Bye.
I'm finna leave.
All right, we'll holler at her. Shout out.
Still the winner. Still the champion.
Still champion. You heard it here first. This our little Coca-Cola. Stay cute, ain't it? Pringles. Cookies. Dip. Dip on that.
I won.
These jerseys. 2 big reds. Is that everything? Yeah. And don't forget the big green sweater. It look like the Grinch. Original Grinch costume. Good too. Had a bracelet. Fresh, ain't it? Bam. Now do what? Ace what? You saw it here first.
Go ahead, hit a dance move for us.
Don't. They ain't gonna believe it. We're gonna hit crank the dance.
What she do?
She'll do it.
Alright. So we're doing it.
Hey!
Alright.